Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Zach, and this is Zach2Turnt. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I am officially a magic key holder at Disneyland. So I am gonna be going all the time. I got the one with like no blackout dates, whatever they're called, because I just wanna go as much as I can. And so you could probably tell by the title, this is gonna be my first ever full day at Disneyland. I actually went on Friday, and when I got to the park, I realized I didn't bring a memory card for my camera, so I couldn't vlog my actual first time ever. But I loved it so much that I wanted to come again today on Sunday. We're gonna see kind of how busy it is today and just have a full day. It's 8 o'clock right now, so just open right now. It takes me about 15 minutes to drive from my apartment complex to there, so we should be there in the park by probably like 9:30, 9:45. So make sure you come along because it's gonna be such a fun day. We're doing all the rides. We got the Rise of the Resistance boarding group. We'll hopefully get web slingers at noon, and it's just gonna be a lot of fun. So come on, let's go. Y'all, we have made it, and it is, oh, I can't even read clocks like this anymore. 8:57, so just a little bit later than anticipated, but that's a-okay. We have already walked a lot since, if you know, let's check my steps real quick. You have to walk all the way from the parking lot, and we have already done about, I'm trying to check my watch here, 2,000 steps, so about a mile. So just make sure if you park at the structures, you know that you are going to walk right away. But here we are, about an hour after park open.
Hi.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you. We have made it to the front gates. Not too shabby for an hour after park opening. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited to spend my whole day here for the first time ever. Because I'm sure most of you know, but I am a Disney World person, because that's just where my family's gone ever since we've grown up. We're from the Midwest originally, so that one was just closer, and it's just what we loved. But now,
I love it.
Slowly being transferred into a Disneylandy. I don't even know if that's what you call them, but anywho, here we are walking to Main Street. So cute. Let's see if we have any pals saying hey to us upon. Oh, we do. Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
Look at how cute they are. Oh, hi Pluto. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh my God, I don't know what's going on. Whoa, cute. Oh, cute. We got some fall decorations. Oh, I love spooky season at Disney parks. So much fun. And then here it is. The castle. It's kind of weird to me not seeing Cinderella's castle. Bit of a change, but a welcome one indeed. There it is. So, I'm not really sure too much what my plans are at the beginning here. I need to actually check the wait times probably, but I'm sure they're not too long. They weren't bad when I checked about 30 minutes ago, so I think we're just gonna walk around and see where the day takes us, honestly. I'm by myself today. Well, I have my pal Baymax here, but by myself, so I can do whatever I want, whenever I want, really. So let's do it. Now that was awesome. I love the ending a lot where it like blows up or whatever. I think that's so cool. And it's so fun. I love it. I love how different it is from Disney World's. It's just so cool. But so it's like 9:30 and they still haven't started calling boarding groups for Rise of the Resistance, which is really weird. I'm sure it's just having technical issues, but I think I'm like 28 or 23, 20 something. So we're gonna walk back here and see if they start soon. And if not, we're gonna head over to Splash Mountain because everyone knows how much I love that ride. And it seems like it's only a 5-minute wait. Oh, Big Thunder waited like 10 minutes, so nothing bad at all. And again, 9:30, and that was such a great way to start off this magical day. But now, we're being a little transported to a little Galaxy's Edge here, if you will. Little Star Wars action to walk around. Oh. So I'm taking my mom and dad here next weekend, actually, and I'm very excited for my dad to see this part. Because he hasn't seen the one in Florida either, and he's a huge, huge, huge Star Wars person. So I know he's gonna fall in love, especially with the Millennium Falcon. I don't know, whichever one that is. Whatever spaceship's here. Obviously, I didn't take on the Star Wars trait, but yeah. Pretty quiet back here actually, probably because, you know, Rise of the Resistance isn't open and Smuggler's Run only is 5-minute wait right now, so pretty awesome day if you ask me. I can already smell the water of Splash Mountain. Oh, there go people. Cute, I love that. So the other night when I was here, I actually got my own log, which was really fun. And I didn't get as wet, so I kind of like that, but we are about to go Splash Mountain, about 5 minutes, and then hopefully afterwards, boarding groups start getting called for Rise of the Resistance, because I really want to ride that, but I also want to use mine before Web Slingers opens at noon, so we'll see if that happens. But one more look at good old Splashy. Also, since I'm alone, I kind of like that it's only one person per, you know, row or whatever. But when my family comes, I think it'll be weird because we love sitting next to each other. If you haven't seen any of the previous vlogs, we just scream and have so much fun on this ride. So yeah, it's so different. It's so crazy how different it is, but it's still at the same time like the same experience. I don't know, it's awesome. I love it so much, so much. I'm so excited that I can come again whenever I want and bring everyone that comes in just to show them how great Disneyland is, but also go back to Disney World hopefully in October for the 50th, so I can go to my other home, my first home I should say, at Disney World. Woo! Oh, my feet are soaked. Everybody's got a laughing place to go. Oh, wow. I love this girl. This is my favorite difference of Splash Mountain. Oh, girls are so sad.
Laughing place. Time to be turning around. If only you could.
Woo! Ooh. Oh, I love that. Woo! Oops. Oh, such a good one. Take this off now that I'm outside. Oh, I just love Splash Mountain. Except this one, your feet get a lot more wet than I remember. So, well, than Disney World actually. I know that for sure. So, who knows? But I think I said it, but I don't remember. I love the end when there's those animals like singing like everybody's got a laughing. I don't know why, but that difference is so funny to me. Like I don't know why. I really don't, but I love it. So actually, let me check. I haven't checked on boarding groups yet because it's almost 10. So let's see here. My queues still not boarding. It's really weird. It says 75 minutes to go, but it's been saying around 90 to 75 minutes since I got here, so who knows? Oh, God. But our day has just begun because it's only 10 o'clock and we are heading over to, I think, Pirates, because I love this Pirates a lot more because of the hills. It's so much fun. I love it.